Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Friday. I hope you're having a great day so far today, whenever you're getting this little message. Looks like a beautiful weekend ahead. Not a whole lot to report today, actually. I'm dealing with a little neck issue, and that's all I'll say right now. So, little pulled muscle. It's not feeling too good. Last night was kind of brutal, so I'm doing all I can to get my neck back in order because I leave for Palm Springs. Yeah, I know. I mentioned this about a dozen times on Wednesday, and I can't wait just to get away and reconnect and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, one thing I want to mention, because, you know, we go on our trips and everything, and we use our credit cards, of course. I just noticed, and I want all of you to look and make sure when your next month, like when your year anniversary is coming up and you got to pay that fee again. I know, like on my city card is $99 a year. My United card, which I enjoy using a few times a year, I especially like when I get the United Club to get 2 passes a year. I'm not bougie and paying, you know, $500-600 a year just to use it because I don't fly as much anymore. But I paid $99 a year, and I don't know if you knew this, but they have raised the rates on these cards, and a lot of you may not know that, and I've been very proactive, but my $99 a year is now up to $150. Wow. So I'm in a quandary if I'm going to keep that card or not. I like the benefits, but is it worth me paying another $51? It's just crazy. Everybody's being nickeled and dimed. I know we're all feeling it. So yeah, so we just got to kind of calm down, look at our finances, whatever. I'm always kind of shuffling money around and stuff. I have some investments that's helped with my recent trip coming up, and I'm really grateful for that. But yeah, you know, that's what's going on right now in our good old world. I did see egg prices coming down. I was at the supermarket the other day, and eggs were like $3.99 at my local Joel Osco store, and I literally, they were on sale, by the way, and I literally like was astonished. It stopped me in my tracks. God, what a nutty world we're living in. So anyway, take care of yourself this Friday. I hope it's going to be good. Reach out to people, tell you love them, you appreciate them in your life. I love when people were checking in with me last night, and you know, we got to be there in solidarity, and that's all what it's about. Again, shameless plug, if you're looking for a speaker for April higher ed events, LGBTQ+ speaker on Allyship and community, and talk about what's going on in our crazy upside down world, I'm the guy. So here's the URL. Please check me out. I would love to come speak at your higher ed event, your Pride events that you're doing in April, and also for the colleges, corporations, and other events, corporations and events and other things in June. So look me up, book me now. I'm getting a few things here and there. Want to increase it, want to survive, want to continue my legacy and do everything that I love doing, and give you a great program. That's the main thing. So subscribe, like, and share. You know I love you. I'm off to get my hair cut at Father and Son. So I will see you on Monday, and then Monday I'm going to tell just kind of a shift in schedule. I probably won't be as proactive about posting and everything, but when I do, you're going to see some Palm Springs and maybe a little pool in the future. All right, have a great one. Have a fun weekend. Take care.